Students, in this video I am going to discuss activity based on NCERT chapter 3 metals and non-metals class 10th. Activity 1. Students, what is the aim of activity? To show that metals are good conductors of electricity. Students, for this activity materials required are metals like silver, gold, magnesium, iron, zinc, copper, aluminium, lead, tin, etc. Battery, bulb, switch, connecting wires with clips, etc. Students, what is the procedure of this activity? Set the apparatus as shown in the diagram. Place the metal to be tested in the clips. Out of these metal you can take any one. Switch on so that current starts flowing from the battery. Observe whether bulb glows or not. Record your observations. Students, so you can take any metals and join that metal wire with bulbs and batteries with the help of clips. After passing electricity, you can see that bulb glow or not. After that, we will record the observation. What is your observation? Bulb glows in case of all the metals tested. Conclusion: metals are good conductor of electricity. That is why they are covered with polyvinyl chloride PVC, which is insulator, does not allow current to flow, so that we do not feel shock due to the flow of current. So students, in this activity we can see that metals are good conductor of electricity because we are seeing that bulb glow when that bulb joined with the wires of metals. We can also see that wires are covered with polyvinyl chloride. Why? Because we do not feel shock due to the flow of current. After that, our next activity number 2. Activity number 2, to show that metals are good conductor of heat and have high melting point. Metals are good conductor of heat and high melting point. Material required: clamp, stand, burner, wax, pin, iron, copper, zinc, gold, silver, platinum, tin, lead, etc. Metals that we can take. Procedure: take wire of each metal and fit into a clamp stand as shown in the diagram. This is clamp stand and this is metal wire. Fix a pin to the free end of the wire using candle wax. We can fix pin with the help of wax. Heat the wire with the help of burner from the clamp end. So after that we will start heating. Continue heating for some time and record your observation. So students, what we will see? Observation: the wax melts and pin falls down and metals do not melt except tin. Means when we will supply heat flows through this wire, due to which pin falls down. Conclusion: the experiment shows metals are good conductor of heat. Most of the metal do not melt except tin and sodium, which melts at low temperature. Lead and mercury are poor conductor of heat. Okay, thank you students. It will be continue in next video.